Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You're in.
Would have been late if it weren't for you.
You're welcome. Off we go. Wait. We're good.
No, you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face. Just stopping off for a quick breather, kid.
He's lost another tire. The king.
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here.
Stakarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jumping now, man.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Come, does the
King Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Danico's golden.
Thank you for your support and your big mistake.
Living life in the fast lane.
Oh, you were you? Were you rich?
What?
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Hey, McQueen, that must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it because I didn't do it.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded?
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind. Oh, put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
I feel quite at my best. I don't need special coal. I can...
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
You know, there's one thing I still don't get. The bad guys hit me with the beam from the camera, right? So...
I have another idea. This one is sure to make you happy.
Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys. You're gonna...
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
Ahí va de regreso. ¿Se pasó? Estás de
First, I'm gonna loosen up these ancient joints.
No, please don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slow.
Huh?